In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert interactive checkboxes in Google Docs in just a few minutes. Whether you're a busy professional managing projects or a student organizing study notes, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, you will start from the Google Docs homepage. From here, you can see various templates like resumes and project proposals. For our purpose, we will begin with a fresh slate. Move your cursor to the blank document option, which is represented by a large plus icon, and click on it to create a new document. Now that we have our new document open, let's make a quick adjustment for better visibility. I'm navigating to the zoom tool in the toolbar and changing it from 100% to 125%. This step is optional but can make your text easier to read while you work. Next, I'll type a simple header for our list, to-do list, to give it some context. Press Enter to move the cursor to the next line where our checklist will begin. The next step is to find the checklist feature. Navigate your cursor to the top menu bar and click on Format. This will open a drop-down menu with many text and paragraph formatting options. From this list, move your mouse down to Bullets and Numbering. A new submenu will appear to the right. Here you'll find options for various list styles, including numbered lists, bulleted lists, and the one we want, Checklist menu. Hover over it and then select the desired checkbox style. I'll choose the second option with the strike-through effect for completed items. After selecting the checklist format, a checkbox will automatically appear on your page. Now you can begin typing your first task. For this example, I'll type cook breakfast. Notice how the text is aligned next to the checkbox. The best part about this feature is its interactivity. You can click directly on the checkbox to mark the task as complete. When you do, the box gets checked and the associated text is automatically struck through, giving you a clear visual confirmation. You can click it again to uncheck it if needed. To add more items to your list, simply press the Enter key after typing a task, and a new checkbox will appear on the line below. I'll add 2 more tasks. Wash the dishes and clean the backyard. You can create as long a list as you need. Once your list is complete, you can go through and check off each item as you finish it. This provides a great sense of accomplishment and helps keep your tasks organized and easy to track. And there you have it. You've successfully created and used an interactive checklist in Google Docs. This is a powerful tool for managing tasks, creating shopping lists, or tracking project milestones. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.